What is up, YouTube? This is Owen Dowell here, and today I'm going to be doing a new Zippo video. Yes, finally. And as you can see by this one, it's going to be a Zippo Woodchuck. Yeah, I'm finally getting around to doing one of these Zippo Woodchucks. I know I've been talking about getting one of these for a little while now, and I've actually had this one for a little while now. Despite the fact that I haven't really been all that active on YouTube lately, I have occasionally been going out and buying Zippos. This is actually one of the ones that I bought. In fact, I believe I actually bought this one back in 2020. I can't fully remember. It could either be 2020 or very early 2021. I've had it for that long. And the story about this one is I was with my friend. We were going to get her a new vape. And we went to this really, really cool smoke shop that she didn't really like because of their vape selection, but I was like, this is a really cool smoke shop. I really need to go back and look for it because I need to figure out what the name of it was, because I do definitely want to go back there at some point to get more Zippos. That'll probably be a spot for me just to go to, and I could like befriend people there. But yeah, ultimately that's what happened. She got herself a vape, and I saw that they had the Woodchuck, and I was like, I've been meaning to buy one of those for a while. I'm gonna get one. So that is why I have this. And here it is. This is what the Woodchuck box looks like. They're all very standard. They're actually about the same size if you've ever seen the the Zippo collectibles of the years. They're actually the same exact size as one of those. If you take two standard black boxes and put them together, you'll get a shape that's exactly this exact same size. So the Zippo Woodchuck, you can see buy one, plant one. So yes, for every single Woodchuck Zippo that you buy, they will plant a tree. They're partnered with this company called Woodchuck, and that's what they do. So if we take a look at the back here, you can actually read a little bit more about their partnership with Woodchuck if you'd like to. And right here, you can actually see what the model number is. This is the Woodchuck American Flag Model 29966. So let's go ahead and check this thing out. So open it up, and there it is. Check that out. There's the code for looking at the tree. So if you're curious to see where this tree was planted, just go to woodchuckusa.com and enter in this code. You're more than welcome to do that. It'll just show you where the tree that this particular Zippo is associated with was planted. And when I got actually it's right here for some reason. When I got this, my Zippo Mysteries of the Forests, I looked at its code. It looks like they have a few different tree conservatories and tree lots and things scattered around. I think Madagascar is where they mostly do them. And if you go on there, they typically plant in one of those places. So when I looked at that one, it was like a general one of the lots that the trees is planted on. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see if this one is in the same place or if it's actually somewhere slightly different. So there's your MSRP, $47.95. It's a little bit expensive, but here it is. This is on a Zippo brush chromed base. You can kind of see that back there. You can see it also is double-sided. We've got a wood thing on the back here. And yeah, let's go ahead and let's get this thing opened up and let's check out what the Woodchuck is all about. So let's take the price tag off. Yeah, I know it's been on there since early 2021, but you know, that's what we do here on my channel. There we go. We like to appreciate the entire Zippo for what it is. So let's go ahead and put this right down there. And you'll notice there's not a guarantee with this one. I can't remember if the guarantee got lost or if it just didn't or I just put it behind this. I was actually taking this box off because I'm going to put the red sticker behind it. So let's go ahead and take this off, and we'll put the red sticker, I guess, where the guarantee is. So yeah, I guess that's where the guarantee went. I put it behind this box like I tend to do with these kind of display boxes, just so it doesn't ruin the presentation. So yeah, there that is. And there that is. Cool. So there's that. And let's check this thing out. You can see Woodchuck, buy one, plant one. This thing smells really, really good. It does indeed. Well, obviously it's wood, so it smells like wood. I don't know a whole lot about what kind of wood this is. Is this like a specific? Nope, that's the generic Zippo quality product thing. So why don't we just go ahead and maybe open it? Possibly? What the heck? Whoa. That was weird. There we go. Actually, you know what I think happened? The emblem was stuck together. The emblem was sticking to itself. Huh. That's actually really thin. That's a lot thinner than I thought it was. Look at that. That's like almost not even there. Wow. Because holding this, it feels like a really substantial wooden piece. Actually, yeah, if I hold it, you want to look at the American flag Zippo this way, because the way that they have it drawn on their on the lighter models is for hanging vertically. So if you take a look at, like, I think there's actually an American flag government website that actually has various illustrations on how you should hang the flag. And if you want to hang it vertically, the stars and stripes actually need to be on this side. So actually, if you look at it in landscape, the flag is backwards. But if you wanted to hang it landscape, you want the stars to be on the left side. But because this is a vertical presentation, they went ahead and designed it to be a vertical presentation. So that's how that works. There's an official government website, or not government, but like, I guess it is government, that shows you how to do the American flag. So fun fact. Here's the bottom stamp. You'll see this is a 2018 model, K of 2018, which I believe is November of 2018, yes. And if we go ahead and open this up, it is still kind of sticky. It's a little weird. I don't know if that's going to get better with time, or if that's just the nature of the beast with these things. Let's check out the insert. The insert itself was made in B of 19. Wow. So that's a pretty good gap. But again, there's no reason to be concerned about that for those of you who might be worried about that. If your Zippo insert dates do not match your Zippo case dates, that's nothing to worry about. That doesn't mean anything about the legitimacy of your Zippo. It's still probably a real thing. So yeah, that's pretty much that. So yeah, you can tell that the ping, if I go ahead and shut up and let you listen, the ping is a little subdued. And it's really subdued, actually. Even though that plaque is barely there, like that's a really thin wooden plaque. You can actually tell that the ping is a little bit altered. That's just because there is weight on the lid. Anytime you have a little extra weight on the lid, that goes for if you have like an armor Zippo, which I actually have right here, my brass armor. If I open this one, because the lid here is a little thicker, like the lid material is a little thicker overall, the ping is altered and the ping is affected, right? Same thing goes even with like the the ones that have like a silk screening on them. I mean, it's not as noticeable, but they do sound a little bit different. Even matte Zippos will sound a little bit different. It just has to do with the weight of the lid. So that's what ultimately causes your ping to really be affected. It really has to do a lot with the lid. But yeah, if you have an emblem on there, you will get a pretty muted click. So that's just something to bear in mind if you want to buy one of these expecting to get that classic Zippo sound. If you really want that classic Zippo sound, I would try to find a plain satin chrome, actually. Those are the best ones, but those seem to have gotten really hard to find. For some reason, those went from being the most common Zippo finish to like an almost impossible to ever find again Zippo finish. It's kind of weird. I don't know what happened. But yeah, if you can find a plain satin chrome, those are typically the best pingers, in my experience. But yeah, guys, I do believe that's going to do it. I think I've covered everything. So yeah, thank you so very much for watching, guys. I do have a few more Zippos that I need to catch up on. Maybe a few of them I want to do some research on. And then there's one that I have that I'm trying to figure out like the logistics of, because I'm not really sure if it's mine or if it's not. We'll get onto that one when I get to it, all right? But anyways, guys, that's going to do it. Thank you so very much for watching, and adios.